Hey everyone, after 3 years, Apple has finally updated the iPad mini, and on the surface, not much seems to have changed. The iPad mini 7 remains compact and familiar, leaving users to search for the new features. But this little tablet still holds a lot of promise, and perhaps more potential than it appears at first glance. Mini tablets occupy a unique space in the market, bridging the gap between the portability of smartphones and the utility of full-size tablets. With the launch of the 7th generation iPad mini, Apple has made subtle improvements, but the most significant enhancements remain on the horizon. The most significant upgrade to the iPad mini 7 is its new A17 Pro chip, the same processor found in last year's iPhone 15 Pro. This is a major leap over the A15 Bionic used in the previous mini. The A17 Pro enables the tablet to perform faster and handle more complex tasks, perfect for users who rely on the device for activities like photo and video editing, work applications, and gaming. Early tests suggest the iPad mini 7 outperforms its predecessor by around 25%, leading to smoother performance across the board. However, there's an interesting comparison to be made with the similarly priced iPad Air. While the Air's M2 chip is technically more powerful in multi-core tasks, the A17 Pro shines in single-core operations such as gaming. The A17 Pro also introduces ray tracing, a feature the M2 chip lacks. Unfortunately, the iPad mini's weaker graphics core limits its potential for high-end games like Assassin's Creed Mirage. Beyond processing power, the other major update is support for the new Apple Pencil Pro, which launched earlier this year. The Pencil Pro adds more functionality for creative users, with improved sensitivity, rotational detection, and haptic feedback. The Pencil Pro is a game changer for those who rely on the iPad mini for sketching or note-taking, but it comes at an additional cost. While the new iPad mini brings these two major improvements, it's hard not to feel like Apple missed a chance to do more. One area of concern is Apple's promise of integrating Apple Intelligence, a new AI-driven platform designed to make the mini smarter and more useful. However, this feature is still just a promise. Customers in the US are expected to see it soon, but its European release date remains unclear. Additionally, Apple has made only minimal changes to the overall design and experience. The company has addressed the jelly scrolling effect, which caused display issues in the previous model, though it hasn't entirely eliminated the problem. The connectivity has been improved with the addition of Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, but the physical SIM card slot is now gone, with only eSIM support available for cellular models. One of the biggest missed opportunities is in the device's size and scope. The Mini could have been transformed into a more versatile option, like a compact replacement for an iPhone, or boosted to match the tech specs of the iPad Air. Unfortunately, the Mini still feels somewhat underdeveloped, especially as foldable devices from competitors like Samsung, Google, and OnePlus begin to blur the lines between smartphones and tablets. Despite the iPad mini 7's limitations, it is still a worthy upgrade for those in need of a small tablet. The A17 Pro chip provides a significant performance boost, and the new Apple Pencil Pro support makes it more useful for creative tasks. The enhanced connectivity features are a welcome addition, and at a lower starting price than its predecessor. With more storage, the iPad mini 7 represents good value. However, the biggest draw, Apple Intelligence, remains a promise. It's hard to justify purchasing the iPad mini 7 solely for this future feature, especially when other updates feel incremental at best. Still, for those who need a compact, powerful tablet with the latest technology, there are few alternatives that match what the iPad mini offers. If you need a small iPad, the iPad mini 7 is the clear choice, but it's hard to shake the feeling that this latest update could have been much more. Thank you for watching this video. What do you think about the new tablet? Also write in the comments what other tablet to compare it with. Have a nice day, and see you soon.